Hi, this is Lily from New Woman, and welcome to my page. It's always an honour and a pleasure to have you join me. Today I thought I would like to share with you about perception. Perception is something that we all do, we all tend to do sometimes. You would have to be a perfect person not to do that. Perception is having your own thoughts about someone or something. So to me that's a big word, and it's something that I would like to share because I tend to do it sometimes. I tend to do that. So I thought if we could share about it and talk about it, how it is not a good thing, perception. It's not a good thing, it's not a good feeling, and it's not good to have an opinion about someone unless you've actually heard from them yourself and what they think. So today we just, I just, on my page, it's all about just the simple things that we go through in life. It's nothing complicated, but it's something that I wanted to bring up and talk about. So perception, your perception of someone can be very, what's another word, deceiving, because you could be thinking something of that person very, you could be thinking, oh my goodness, they're saying this about me, they think like this about me. Your perception of someone is not what is. So it's just like our circumstances. I've done a video on our circumstances, and I talked about that as well. So I kind of wanted to share a carry on from that to say circumstances are not what we think they are. And it's just like how I feel right now about perception, our thoughts about someone else. And it can manifest, it can really, really get to you. I mean, when you think about what people are saying and your perception of that person, it really does ruin relationships. It definitely ruins relationships. So these are the things I'm just sharing, is about what I'm going through myself. Perception. Perception is something that you have to deal with. It's not a nice word, is it? So something you have to deal with, and I think if there is something going on with you and someone else that you feel that that person is really, really getting you down, you need to approach that person. You need to approach that person, call them up or contact them and say, look, let's go out for coffee. We need to talk. And then it's when you start talking, and this is so important for your relationships. So when you start talking and you know, this is what I thought that you thought, and blah, 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 whatever. But, so I think that's the only way how to fix that perception, because circumstances are not what they are. It's just to have it out in the open and just say, even if you ask that person to say, look, I'm really sorry about the things that I thought about you, or even if you've said some things about them that are, that were your own perception. It's good to get it out in the open. And oh my goodness, keep life simple. What have you got to lose by being open and honest with someone? So that's just something simple to share. I don't know if it's going to help anyone, but your perception of someone is not what is. Like our circumstances of right now is not really what is, We can look at it and say, well, this is it. No, it isn't. The best is yet to come. I always know that the best is yet to come. So if you're going through things like that, like I do sometimes, and you do come, no one is perfect. Nobody is perfect to say, well, I don't really, this is not really how I feel, or, I don't feel like that. Look, you can't tell me that someone is perfect and they don't have emotions and they go through this. So, perception, please deal with it before it escalates and it gets you so knotted up that you are way over the coming back, of helping yourself in fixing that problem with that person. So today, go out and call that person, meet up for coffee, or give them a call, or just say, look, I'm so sorry, but we need to talk. And you know what, you could just even tell that person, look, forgive me for having these thoughts, and I don't know how you feel about this, blah, 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 but can we just sort this out? And you'll be amazed. So this is Lily coming at you again. This is Lily from New Woman, and thank you for coming on my page. Subscribe to my page if you like my videos, and also there's a link below this video. Just click on it and just, check it out and see what you think. So, hey, enjoy the day. Thanks for being on my video again, and cheers for now. Catch you later on my next video.